Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set the camera record slow-mo at 1080p HD at 120 fps or 240 fps. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on camera. So now here click on record slow-mo, and from here you can choose 1080p HD at 120 fps and 1080p HD at 240 fps, and you also have an option of 720p HD at 240 fps. So you can choose one of these three options. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.